and cacti be. And that's why these words sting just like you were being attacked by bees. In the coop, leaning back my seat, open R. Kelly's favorite group, the black guy peas. In my Air Max 90s, white tees, walking parental advisory. My transgender cat Siamese identifies as black but acts Chinese, like a motherfucking hacky sack got treat.